Aware. Articulated wrong and right expression. What do you say when the person dials a number or calls a number and then lets it ring for a little and hang up? Well, my village people, as I normally call them, and referring to Nigerians, they would say, "Did you flash me?" Or, "Flash your number on my phone." Yes, flash your number on my phone. Huh? This is totally incorrect. The word flash has nothing to do with a phone call. The right thing to say is beep call. Some persons might say beep. Give me a beep. Did you give me a beep? But because the word beep can mean a short sound produced by a car, it can be a pager device or an electronic device, I choose to say beep call. So do not say "You are flashing me." Instead, say "You are giving me a beep call" or "Give me a beep call." I hope you found that helpful. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Bye for now.